find the values of alpha and beta if the function f of x is continuous on the interval minus 3 to 3, and this is the given function f of x, which is equal to x minus alpha if it lie between minus 3 to 0, and is equal to twice x plus 3 if it is in the interval 0 less than x less than or equal to 2, and is equal to beta plus x if it lie between 2 and 3. So now if f of x is continuous on interval AB, then at each point, for let C belongs to A, B be any point, then a left hand limit at x tends to C minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to C plus f of x, that is right hand limit is equal to left hand limit at x is equal to C. So now from the given function we are going to check continuity at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Now since f is continuous on the interval minus 3 to 3 and 0 belongs to minus 3 to 3, this implies f of x is also continuous at x is equal to 0. This implies limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. So now what is limit x tends to 0 plus? This indicate limit x tends to 0 but x is greater than 0 of f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 but x is less than 0 of f of x. Now what is for x greater than 0? For x greater than 0 it is equal to twice x plus 3, and for x less than 0 it is equal to x minus alpha. So this implies this is equal to for x greater than 0 it is equal to twice x plus 3. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0 twice x plus 3 is equal to limit x tends to 0. For less than 0 it is equal to, this is for less than 0, twice x it is equal to, this is the first line, x minus alpha, you can see here it is equal to x minus alpha. So this will be equal to x minus alpha. Now if you take the limit here, you will get 2 into 0 plus 3 is equal to 0 minus alpha. If you simplify this, you will get 3 is equal to minus alpha, and this implies alpha is equal to minus 3. Now similarly function is also continuous at x is equal to 2. So now since number 2, since 2 belongs to minus 3 to 3 and f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2, this implies limit x tends to 2 plus f of x, right hand limit x at x is equal to 2, which is same as limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. So now this implies this is equal to limit x tends to 2 and x greater than 2 of f of x, which is equal to the now the left hand limit indicate x goes to 2 but x is less than 2 f of x. So for x greater than 2 it is defined beta plus x, so this is equal to limit x tends to 2 beta plus x, and for x less than 2 it is equal to, see here, x less than 2 it is twice x plus 3. And now take the limit. So if you take the limit, you will get beta plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 3. So if you simplify this, then you will get beta plus 2 is equal to 7, and this implies beta is equal to 7 minus 2. So this implies beta is equal to 5. So the final answer will be x alpha is equal to minus 3. So final answer will be alpha is equal to minus 3 and beta is equal to 5.